nè. Rồi nó bay được rồi. Ngồi xuống đàng hoàng đi con, ngồi xuống đấy nè, bằng chim bị nãy bị con quạ nó cắn. Bị con quạ nó cắn gãy cái cánh rồi giờ hết bay nổi rồi. Chim ơi Ruby nè. You sit down and then be friendly with him. We have you. We look after you, okay? We look after him. Bà con đó. Mấy con kia hồi nó lại nó cắn bây giờ. Nè dễ thương lắm nè, nó nhỏ xíu à, so cute. Đây lại bưng ra.
I felt sorry for the bird because he got bit by a crow. So I gave him some bread. But he kept on squeaking, so I had to put my hand near the edge of the bread so just in case he would not bite me. I was going to give him the bread, but he wouldn't want to eat it. Oh! He nearly bit me. Well, he probably wants his mommy and daddy. Bye!
Uống nước nè, nhìn nè nha.
Okay, now we're back with some water. Let's give it to him. Why does he keep on spilling it? Oh, there's his mom. You'll get back to her when you're done feeling better. Well, I hope this little bird gets better soon, and his mommy and daddy are waiting for him so he can go home later on, so he can be healthy again and get back with his family and friends. Now, let's see if he wants more water in this little bowl. He's looking everywhere just like he doesn't know where it is. I'll just put it down here for him. He's hanging onto the basket. See, this is me giving him a big loaf of bread. And I put some bubble wrap in the basket. I kept on popping it after the video, but here's what I